Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix can't receive text messages in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check network, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network at internet, click on SIM add mobile network. Now check network. After check network, now go back. After that, clear messages app cache, open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search messages app. Now click on messages, scroll down, click on storage add cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system, go back, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix can't receive text messages in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.